Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Maggie from The Simpsons. So first let's get started in the middle of our page, and we're going to start by drawing in our right eye. So first, further over to the right, we're going to draw in a small circle for the pupil. Stepping over towards the right slightly now, we're going to draw an even bigger circle for the rest of the eye. In the middle now, to the left of this, we're going to draw in the nose. So we're going to curve this line out and then in. Now let's draw in our left eye. So coming in towards the middle, we're going to curve this line all the way around, bringing that over and in towards the side of the nose. And now coming over towards the left, we're going to draw in another circle for the pupil of the eye. Now for the eyelashes, on the right hand side, we're going to curve this line up and out. Let's move in towards the middle, replicating that. And then one more time as we come further over towards the left. Again, moving over towards our left eye now, we're going to curve this line around and then up in the center. And then one more time as we come across. Now let's draw in the pacifier. So coming down on a diagonal, we're going to draw in the letter U on a diagonal. We're going to curve a line that arches out on either side. And then we'll connect this together with another letter U. Now from here, we're going to draw in an oval. So we're going to connect this from the top, bringing this all the way around and underneath. For the chin, we're going to curve this around and then up. And then for the side of the face, we're going to curve this line around and then in towards our left eye. Let's come down on a diagonal now on the right hand side and draw in a half circle for our right ear. In the center, we're going to draw a curved line from left to right. And then in the center, we're going to curve this line down and across. For the neck, we're going to curve this line down. And then just underneath our chin here, we're going to curve this line across, connecting that in the corner. Let's move around now and draw in the hair. So on the right hand side, we're going to curve this line out. Starting at the point, we're going to curve this line in. Starting at the point again, we're going to get a little bit longer, curving that out and then back in. And we're gradually going to get bigger as we come all the way around in a circle. So starting in the corner again, we're going to curve that across and then in. At the point again, we're going to curve that around, arching that back in. Now we're going to bring this diagonal line, curving this up towards the top, and then starting at that point, curving this around and in towards the middle. Starting at that point again, we're going to curve that up, and then we're going to bring this down. Now we're here, let's draw in our bow. So coming down in the center, we're going to draw in a small circle. To the left of this, we're going to bring this diagonal line up, down, and then in. And then we'll replicate this to the right, so bringing this out, down, and then back in. Now let's come towards the left of this, and we're going to curve this diagonal line out, starting at the point, bringing that back in. And then one last time, we're going to bring this out towards the left-hand side and then bringing that back in towards our left eye. Now moving in towards the middle, we're going to draw in a curved line, bringing that in on the left, and then we'll do the same thing on the right. Now let's draw in our arms on either side. So let's start with the right-hand side. We're going to curve this line around and then across. Moving further down, we're going to curve that around and then across, ending that at the same height. We're going to close this off with a curved line from left to right. For the thumb, we're going to arch this line up and then in. And then as the pointer finger, we're going to curve this line around, back in. In the center, we're going to curve that line out and then back up. And then in the corner again, we're going to curve that out and then back in. And now we're going to close this off with a curved line, connecting that in the corner. In the middle, we're going to draw in a small curved line from left to right, arching that down. Now on the left-hand side, we're going to draw in a small curved line, arching that down. And now we'll draw in our left arm. So underneath the pacifier here on the top, we're gonna bring this line out on a diagonal. Lining this up at the same height, we're gonna curve this around and then up. Let's close this off now with a curved line from left to right. For the thumb, we're gonna arch this line around and then in. For the pointer finger, we're gonna curve that out and then in. In the corner, we're gonna curve that around and then in. And then one last time, we're gonna curve that around and then back in. And now in the corner, we're gonna curve that around and across. And now in the center, we're going to draw on another curved line. Let's draw on the rest of the body now. So on the right-hand side, we're gonna curve this line around and then down. We'll do the same thing on the left, starting in the corner, curving that around and then in. Again, we're gonna curve this line around and then down. And on the right-hand side, we're gonna curve this line further out and then in. And then on the right, we're gonna curve that around and then down. In the center, we're going to draw a curved line from top to bottom. Now on the right, we're gonna curve this line around and then in towards the middle. We're gonna continue to extend this line over towards the left, arching that up. And now on the left-hand side, we're gonna arch this line around and then back in on the corner. And that is it. That's how you draw Maggie from The Simpsons. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.